What you do about the negative guy that's gonna bring you down? It's quite simple. Ignore and outwork every last one of them. You see, while you work over there watching me and talking about me, I'm working hard. I'm talking things to next level. You keep gossiping and I'll keep working. You keep talking smack and I'll keep working. You keep focusing on everything and everyone else and I'll keep working. And when you finally look around at where you are and where I am at, you'll realize that you have nothing left to talk smack about. And you will lose and I will win. The best revenge is massive success. I'll show you. You wanna kill your hater. You wanna shut them down. You wanna kill the noise. Listen to me. Nothing succeeds like success. Who care what they say? Dominance. Who care what they think? Dominance. When you decide acting in your best interest, you're gonna lose some friends. Everybody's not going to approve of you. There are some people they won't like you. Who do you think you are? You arrogant. What do you think you can do? You selfish. When you hang around average people, all they're gonna tell you is what they can do. And that's okay. They can't do it. But that has absolutely nothing to do with us. We can do whatever we believe we can do. And we don't need anybody's permission to do it but ours. Stand up for your dream. Stand up for what you want in your life. You got to talk to yourself. Day in and day out. You got to say yes, I can make it. The last chapter to my life has not been written yet. If you judge me now, you'll judge me prematurely. I haven't exposed all my stuff yet. I'm still in the process of transforming my life. I'm still in the process of becoming. Yes, it's your dream. Nobody's gonna see it like you do. It's your dream. Nobody's gonna feel like you feel it. It's your dream. Nobody's gonna be as dedicated to it as you are. It's your dream and they don't have to understand. And they don't have to like it. And they don't have to do it. It doesn't make difference. It's your dream and you, my friend, have been given to the task to make it happen. And you can't let anything stop you from doing what you work hard to do. I'm great and I don't owe anybody's an apology. I'm phenomenal and I don't owe anybody's an apology. I'm going to do great things and I don't owe anybody's an apology. I was created to do great things and I will no longer ask others for their permission. Kill the noise and dominate your space, your land. I dare you to believe in yourself so much so that you don't need the affirmations of others. I dare you to believe in your uniqueness. I dare you to believe in you. I dare you to stand up for yourself. I dare you to dominate your space, your word, and to leave a legacy. It doesn't matter how many times I fail. I'm gonna courageously pursue it. I don't care what people say. I don't care what they think. This is something that I want, that gives my life meaning and value. You're gonna work through it. You're gonna get up. You're gonna get dressed. You're gonna get out. And you're gonna do what you've been called to do. You're gonna be what you have been called to be. You're gonna have and you're gonna prove to everybody that tried to break you, everybody that tried to stop you, everybody that tried to kill your dream. You're gonna prove all of them wrong.